I ordered this inverter portable air conditioner to cool down my home storage area, which is a total of 368 square feet. The unit weighs about 90 pounds, but does have wheels to move around easily. The only install needed was to set up your window with the supplied attachments. I was able to do it easily by watching the installation video posted with the product description. In no time I started the unit, and I like how powerful the air flows out. My storage area is large, and this device was able to make the air cooler by 6 degrees and more comfortable in less than 2 hours. This product comes with a very nice remote control and an easy to install and use app that allows me to control the air conditioner via Wi-Fi. Overall, very pleased with this product. It is very well made, durable, easy to set up, interactive, and, best of all, cools my home storage area. Since the area is now more comfortable with cooling air, I can now convert it to be an office studio. It is well worth the price and I highly recommend it. Therefore, I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.